Hello everyone, myself Dr. Chaya Khilare. I'm working as assistant professor in Det Pushpati Patil Arts and Science College, Bisur, District, Washington. And this is my notable stay, and this is the video for microteaching for the my special course in UGC HRDC, Dr. Ambedkar University, Aurangabad. The topic of my microteaching is the classification of animals. As I am working as a assistant professor in environmental zoology, so I chose this topic for the classification of animals. Actually, if you see, there is a very broad classification of animals, but for the micro teaching, I have selected a very small subject. It will be the classification of animals. Before starting of animals classification, we all know that there are seven types of kingdoms, like kingdom plant, kingdom animalia, kingdom virus, etc. etc. When we talk about the classification animals, in broad minded we say that there are two main types of animals. They are invertebrates and they are vertebrates. Again, invertebrates, which are those do not have the vertebral columns. Okay, there are three main distinctive characters are found in case of the three main characters. They are distributed in between the vertebrates and invertebrates. There is the presence of nerve cord, presence of neural tube, and presence of vertebral column. These are the three main characters which are defined. These are the vertebrates and these are the invertebrates. Okay, the classic then in case of invertebrates, there includes about nine phylums, which is starting from the porifera. But some taxonomists say that the porifera does not belong into the invertebrates because they are the single cell animals, and they also do not include into the museum study because they are the microscopic animals. All the protozoans we cannot see them into their naked eyes. We cannot see into the open eyes. So the protozoans, they are the main distinctive feature in case of invertebrates. But there are about nine phylums. They are belonging into the invertebrates, like Protozoa, Porifera, Cylindrata, Helminths, Arthropod, Mollusks, Echinoderms, and these are the seven phylums. They are included in case of invertebrates. Then these are some animals which are having legs. Like these all are arthropods. Arthropoda is the one of the largest phylum into the whole kingdom Animalia. So those were having legs. Some are having three pairs of legs that include the insects, and some are having more than three pairs of legs. Like we have seen that the crabs, the prawn, spiders, millipedes, centipedes. These are animals. They are having more than three pairs of legs. So some pair are having legs, some are without legs. So these are the worms. These are the fluke worm, tapeworm, leech. These are all the parasitic worms which does not having any kind of legs because they do not require the movement of the body. They are attached to the host body and they are feeding from the host. Whichever host they are attached to it, they are feeding, they are getting their food from their host. So they does not require the legs or any kind of movementary organs. So invertebrates, there are some animals with legs. These are the some are having three pairs of legs, some are having more than three pairs of legs, and some are without legs. And those who are without legs, probably they maximum are the parasitic in nature. Then we are having vertebrates. Vertebrates, there are major five phylums they are involved. But according to the animal's behavior, animal's nature, there are of two types. एक आहेत warm-blooded animals and these are the cold-blooded animals. The cold-blooded animals are those who can change their body temperature according to the surroundings. म्हणजे those animals they can change their body temperature. As if there is a decrease of temperature in surrounding, their body automatically start to increase their body temperature to maintain the balance in between the outer environment and the inner environment. So those animals which are having the capacity to change their body temperature according to the surrounding, they called as a cold blooded animals. Then the second type it will be the warm blooded animals, means those animals they cannot change their body temperature according to the surrounding like us. Those birds and mammals, the phylums or the classes are the aves and the class mammalia. Whatever organism, whatever animals they are involved into the class aves and the class mammalia, they do not, they cannot change their body temperature from surrounding. Like us, we cannot change. We get the extra arrangement for the changing temperature. Like if there is a winter season, we will try to wear warm clothes, and in the summer season we will try to wear the softest clothes. So these are the arrangement we have made for maintaining the body temperature with the surrounding. But those like pulses, all the fish, reptiles and the amphibians, the animal they cannot make the arrangement, they cannot make the extra arrangement. So they are having the naturally ability to change their body temperature. Suppose if the temperature it will be decreasing in surrounding, their body temperature automatically decreasing. So they are fluctuating with the fluctuations of temperature in case of surrounding. So this is a shortest form of the classification of vertebrates. We can change, we can see in case of broad, like what phylum, what class, what orders, what families they are involving in their this classification. This is the shortest idea we are having for the classification of animals. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you.